In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create cool Miro boards. We will set up a clean, premium-looking layout by adjusting the board background, building a header section. It is best to begin with a blank canvas so your style stays consistent from the start. Once the board is open, right-click any empty space on the canvas to bring up the context menu. From that menu, select Board Background. This is a simple change that immediately affects the overall mood of your board. Choose a dark gray or a soft beige background color. Dark gray tends to feel sleek and modern, while soft beige feels warm and minimal. Either option helps your content stand out and gives the board a more premium look. Next, go to the sidebar and click the Shapes icon. From the Shapes list, select the Rectangle tool. Now draw a large rectangle that will act as your section header. Make it wide enough to frame the title area clearly. After you place the rectangle, adjust its styling. Click the Fill Color icon and set it to None. This keeps the header clean and avoids covering your background color. Then find the border icon and choose a thick dashed line. The thicker dashed border creates a strong visual container and makes your section header feel intentional, like a design template instead of a quick sketch. Now add your title. Click the Text tool in the sidebar, then click inside your header area and type your title in all caps. All caps works well for headers because it reads clearly and feels structured. With your text selected, open the font menu and choose a modern font such as Spoof or Open Sans. These fonts look clean and professional, and they pair well with minimalist backgrounds. Finally, add an icon for a branded feel. Click More Tools shown as 3 dots in the sidebar. Select Icon Finder to search for high-quality icons. Choose an icon that matches your topic and style, then drag it onto your header near the title. Place it with a little breathing room so the header stays balanced and easy to read. And that is all there is to it.